Throughout America's rich history, flying has always meant excitement. And while flying was once recognized as an elite thing to do, today flying has become about transportation. And while the industry has taken some hits, it's coming back stronger than ever.
If you take a look back at 30, 40 years ago, commercial aviation was more of an event for business people and occasional pleasure travelers. It has become more of a commonplace way to travel, almost like a bus service in the sky. We're going to retire about 32,000 of our airline transport pilots in the next 7 years. In the next 11 years, we're going to retire about 50,000 of those pilots. And in a few short years, it's going to reach a crisis situation.
That's where AeroSim comes in. From high-fidelity simulation-based training products to their flight academy and training services, AeroSim is the future of aviation.
AeroSim provides training products and services to the aviation community, primarily to airline pilots. AeroSim was founded back in 1990. It really started from a challenge from an airline pilot who was explaining how the flight management system was so complicated in the aircraft. And so the challenge was that nobody could produce this training product on a desktop. And we went from there and developed what's called the FMST today. And that's really what the root of our original company was based on.
Whether it's training at their flight academy or utilizing the technologies in the training, AeroSim's training curriculum is creating pilots for the future.
AeroSim blends primary flight training with high-end fidelity simulation. We know what the airline wants. We know how to teach that at the airline level. We're just teaching it now at the primary level. That's what the marriage between the two companies brings to the table. In the United States, we take about 12 months teaching you to be a commercial pilot. We then teach you how to be a certified flight instructor. You'll then stay with us, work for us, teach other people how to fly airplanes, earning your flight time. Once you get about 1,000 hours, we'll help place you at an airline and hopefully get you a job as a first officer. For the international client, you stay with us about the same 12 months. You earn the same about 250 hours of flight time, and then we send you back home to your home country for your jet training at the airline.
Hi, my name is Mark Libretto. I'm a first officer for JetBlue Airways on the Airbus A320. I began my career here at the Academy back in August of 2000. What I found was a program that's set up not to produce just a private pilot or an instrument pilot, but to produce a professional pilot.
From simulation to the air, AeroSim is working harder than ever to address the growing issue of pilot shortage and is the world's greatest in answering our world's need for flight.